All right, so I'm gonna go over how quiet the compressor is. So right now the compressor is actually going. Hopefully this mic is picking up just how quiet it is. This compressor will turn on as it requires air. It goes from the compressor to a holding tank. We have a built-in moisture extractor that goes from the main tank into another holding tank. It requires to be drained. There's a little message that comes up on your main display saying that you need to drain it. And then over here on my left-hand side, you can see the water drain. You're just gonna hook up a hose and a bottle and open up that valve, and you'll drain all the water out. You'll reset your little maintenance reminder, and you're ready to start printing again. If you'd like to learn more information about this machine, please visit us at ROQ.us or call the 187-ROQUE-NOW number. Visit us on social media for more videos coming out. Take a look at this machine because it is dynamite.